you. I cannot do this play by myself, so I must thank all my wonderful co-workers who really helped me a lot to put this all together. So with Mrs. Carol, Mrs. Peck is not here today, but Mrs. Peck definitely helped us. Mrs. Rosota, Mrs. Derek, and we are going to miss her a lot. No one can really replace Mrs. Matthew. I need to thank Mr. Carlos, the custodian. He was helping at the door. He said all the things Mrs. Martini and Ms. Jacobson, we have pushed them out of the TV for the last time. So we have to thank them. When we decided when we do this play, hero is something that has a broad meaning. And I know each one of you have your own idea of who a hero is. I was at a concert. I was celebrating my two children at JPEG, and the theme for the concert is how fitting, heroes. And on the day of that concert, we have some members of armed forces in the audience. So before they sing the last song, they play the last piece of music, the conductor asked all those armed force members that were there to stand up. Then he asked the veterans to stand up. He then asked the teachers to stand up. Maybe we don't think teachers as heroes. I wouldn't think of myself as a hero compared to a lot of other heroes that I can keep with us today. But I hope all of you think about your teachers who really helped you to become who you are. So I just want to thank all of you for being here today. And our special guest parents, grandparents, thank you for giving your children to me. It has been my honor to bring them to this point, and I really hope that you will continue to support them as they go on to Big Ray and on. And I hope that means that you will never leave their lives. Okay? Promise me you keep singing. So amongst us today, we have some special heroes that the kids actually are nominated and want to bring them in. So as I call each hero's name, the child that nominated them, please go down and bring them forward and please stand at the orange line. With Mr. George Constantagalis and Case. With Mrs. Salem Ono and Lucy. We have Mr. Joe Mattis, Joseph. Mrs. Lucy Wilson. Mr. Robert Moreno and Colin. Mr. Tim Lucas and Emma. And Mr. John Isamish and Taylor.